Good morning, this is your severe weather outlook for Friday, April 3, 2020. I am Extreme Weather's AI meteorologist, James Johnson. Here are your severe weather headlines in under a minute. First, nor'easter to batter coastal New England with strong winds, heavy showers, and coastal flooding today. Second, strong early spring cold front to generate travel-disruptive winter weather in the Midwest, severe weather in the southern plains. And finally, Pacific storm system to usher in both wet and wintry conditions to the west coast this weekend. A slow-moving cold front will bring potential for severe storms with large hail, damaging winds, and locally heavy rain across Texas. Farther north in the plains, wintry conditions will continue. In the northeast, a meandering coastal low will produce locally heavy rain, with interior snow, gusty winds, and coastal flooding. And now here is your detailed severe weather outlook for today. A powerful nor'easter off the east coast will continue impact the New England coast with blustery conditions, heavy showers, high surf, and coastal flooding through this morning and into the early evening hours. Scattered showers are also possible across much of the northeast, but with less punch than what is expected for coastal New England. Look for showers to taper off Friday night as the nor'easter heads south and east into the northwest Atlantic, and high pressure builds in from the west. By Saturday, mostly dry conditions and a more seasonal temperature regime looks to settle in across the region. A strong cold front continues to inch its way across the Midwest this morning. The front's slow progression combined with the plummeting temperatures in its wake is causing post-frontal precipitation to fall in the form of freezing rain from the central plains to the upper Midwest. Winter storm warnings and advisories continue through this morning as icy accumulations ranging between 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of ice are possible, thus making for slick travel conditions in these regions. Meanwhile, the cold front will march south in the southern plains, where it should trigger showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. Some thunderstorms in southern and central Texas could be severe, with the potential to produce strong winds and large hail. Thunderstorms may also contain intense rainfall rates that could lead to localized flash flooding in the central and eastern portions of the Lone Star State. Out west, yet another Pacific storm system will take aim at the west coast this weekend. Coastal and valley rain is possible from Oregon to the Bay Area of California Saturday, with heavy snow in the Oregon Cascades and the Sierra Nevada. The Sierras, in particular, will likely measure over 1 to 2 feet of snow by the end of the weekend. Southern California will wait until Sunday for periods of rain to reach the region with locally heavy amounts possible. This is James Johnson reporting for Extreme Weather. Our weather information is derived from the National Weather Service Weather Prediction Center, located in College Park, Maryland. Our outlook uses AI technology developed by Extreme Weather, and our audio broadcast is digitally mastered by Jarvis Media Group. Have a great weekend. And let's stay weather aware.
This broadcast is made possible in part by Extreme Weather. Funding for this broadcast is provided in part by our viewers and their donations. We would like to thank our viewers for their continued support of this Extreme Weather program. Thank you for listening, and please check back often for further weather updates that may impact you and your area.